Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what you're gonna do with your instant noodles. And today we got one that came all the way from Germany. This is Nissin's Cup Noodles Big Wok Style Soba. This is the chili variety and it's vegan friendly for those of that persuasion. So let's make it. What I like about these, look at all that veg. That's a pretty decent amount of vegetable matter. I don't know if you can see it. Trust me. Okay, so we're gonna dump water in here. It's hot water and it's getting all over the stove. Oh, to hell with it. And we're gonna put the lid on there and we're gonna do it for 3 minutes. I don't know what the freaking deal is with these stupid pots. I love these pots. They're the pots my mom used, and they just—it's like a trick, you know, one of those joke cups that spills everywhere all over you. The dribble cup, you know what I mean? No? Yeah, they make these cups. It's a gag thing. So you like, not. It's so hard to explain things to you people. It's basically a cup that has a little hole in it under where your lip goes, so it dribbles all over you. I know, that's not very nice, but it's a joke, it's funny. You have a sense of humor? At least one of them? Rinsing out my device that I use. For plating. Yeah. Yeah, it's like just after 10 a.m. Got up at 3. And my wife got an Uber from some lady whose license was, her hack permit was expired. By over a month. And, was not a very nice lady. Didn't help her with her luggage and stuff. Usually they just like pull up. They're like, "How are you doing?" Da, 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 da. And then they like grab your luggage and throw it in the trunk and ask you how your day is. And they're really nice. Last couple times, she's gotten real peaches of people. That's too bad. But generally, Uber and Lyft drivers are all right. Yeah. Generally. I had one guy, it was when I went to go see Tenacious D, and on the way there, I got this guy he was Indian, so we talked about Indian food a lot, which was nice. And then he went on this long, like totally, I mean, I love talking about politics. But he just all of a sudden starts talking how much he hates Biden. And I'm like, whoa, what prompted this? Like, what? Just like totally went on a hardcore anti thing. Got real Trumpy on me. I was like, what? No tips for you, buddy. I'm going to have fun. You want to agree with me, that's one thing. And then the guy, I went, you know, it was at a winery, and the only thing to drink at the winery was wine. And the cheapest thing to do is just buy a big old bottle of wine. So I was walking around, I got way too buzzed. Just chugged a bottle of wine. And then I got picked up, and it was a real nice Mexican guy, and we talked politics, and he was all right. Wished me well. And there are nice people, and then there are very nice people, and then there are people who are nice. But yeah, I think that was like maybe the last time I had anything to drink, because that was just like, I look back on that experience and find it very, very embarrassing. It's like, oh my God. I just got a notification in my ear. My heavenly wife has landed in beautiful Oakland, California. The home of the worst team in baseball this year. Hate to say it, A's fans, but you know. The A's are really, really, really sucking it. I think they're like 24-60. Just some horrible, absolutely awful record. But we're just, I mean, it's still, we're not at the halfway mark. It's getting close to the All-Star game. I think that's next week, isn't it? Or the week after next, All-Star break. It's July 2nd today. So that's pretty cool. Alright, I've combined this pretty darn well. It's a vegan one. I'm gonna let it stay vegan. I'll add a little bit of veggie stuff. All right. So come over here, you. So here it is. So let's give it a try. Cheers. That is unique. It's not bad, but it's kind of a trip. It starts out, you get a sweet hit, then very acidic, and then you get some heat. Yeah. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how much I like that. Unfortunately, sorry. That's not my thing. That is not my groovy jam. That works. That's more veg to put on top of here for the cup. As you can see, there's quite a lot of vegetable in this. And that's something I really like. A little bit of seed, not much. Black seeds would have done well. You know, I'm looking at this, and this looks kind of lopsided. Let's go this way, that way. I don't know if I'm making it any better. Okay. Yeah, I think I probably should just let it be. But I'm not gonna, because I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper. Okay, that was weird. Hopefully gotta do this. Yeah, I don't know what button I accidentally pushed. My apologizing word things to you all. Yeah. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, that's it for me today. I did 4 of them. I've cooked 4 instant noodles since, yeah. I'm tired. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out, and I appreciate it. Have a good one, and bye-bye.